Hey everybody, welcome back to another C Sharp. We're going back to the basics anymore. And I made a video a couple back where I talked about how to get duplicate indices from a user submitted question in the comments. By the way, if you have questions, feel free to post them in the comments, and if I think I can answer it well enough, I'll make its own video. But we've been kind of on a roll with these string methods, and today we're going to talk about the concat method for concatenating strings. You might be asking, well, what does concatenate even mean? We'll talk about that. And if you like this stuff, don't forget to hit subscribe. We've been on a roll with that as well recently, and I really appreciate all the support you guys have been giving this channel. I try to learn different things when it comes to code, and as I learn them, I like to share them with you guys, and hopefully we can all benefit that way. So let's talk about concat. What does concatenate even mean? It means to link together things, basically. So let's give an example. I'm going to have a string called first, and it's going to say hello there, exclamation point. And let's have a string second, and it's going to say, it's actually going to have a space because when we concatenate, it's going to literally link them up against each other. It's not going to add spaces, so it's going to say hello there and then whatever our second string is. And if we keep adding more and more, it won't give it extra spaces, so we want it to look good. So I'm going to put a space at the beginning of this one and say, how are you? All right. And let's say we wanted to make this one giant, like multiple sentences in one string. How would we do that? Well, one way we can do that is with the concat method. And before, when we did string methods, we actually took the string. So I would do first dot index of or dot length or whatever, and I'd say give me this. This one's a little bit different because we're actually going to use the string class, and we're going to reference the member in the string class itself. So to do that, I'm going to do capital S string dot concat, and then we're just going to pass in as many strings as we want to combine. So I can say first and then comma second to say, hey, write out the concatenated string of these two combined. And we'll see what that looks like. And we see hello there, how are you? You can see the space right here. Let me zoom in a bit so you can see it, hopefully. You can see a space right here, and that's why I had to put a space here, or it wouldn't look right. So yeah, you can write strings till the cows come home if you wanted to. Another thing you can do is you can actually pass in an array of strings. So let's say string array. I'm going to say ARR is going to be equal to a new string array, and let's give it some values, and let's just pass in these to start out with. So there's the first one. There's a second one, and you can say that's, and let me put a space here, that's good to here. And we can keep adding. You can obviously add as many strings as you want to this array. I'm going to add one more, I guess. Bye. And once again, I need to put a space here to make it look pretty. And there is our string array. And now we just pass in the string array, and it'll concatenate every single one, or every single value of the string array. It'll go through it and link them together. So here we go. Hello there. How are you? That's good to hear. Bye. So if you have a use case where you need to link either two strings or as many strings as you can imagine, concat can be your friend, and that is how you can use it to your advantage. Thanks for watching again, guys. Really appreciate it. Like I said, if you like this stuff, don't forget to hit subscribe, and I hope to see you in the next one.